how to get the Gmail app on your laptop or computer. So I'll show you how to install Gmail as its own application, and this will work on all Windows computers and also MacBooks as well. Now all you'll need to do is go and load up a Google Chrome browser. Now you'll need to make sure you're using Google Chrome and not another internet browser. Now once you're on the Google website, you can click on Gmail in the top right hand side. Once you're on Gmail, click on the 3 vertical dots in the top right hand side, and then you'll need to scroll down to Cast, Save and Share and click on Install Page as App. You can then give this a name and press install. Now as you can see, this will install Gmail as its own application. So even when I close out of the internet browser, you can see that Gmail stays open. You can also pin this to your taskbar by right-clicking on the icon, and you can select Pin to Taskbar. When you close out of the app, if you want to go and open this again, you can open up your Start menu. You can search for Gmail, and as you can see, it's installed as its own application.